Welcome to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. This is Outsider Trading, an audio and video deep dive into the people, places, and things that we find most interesting in the market.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Investing Podcast. A very hairy edition, I might say, for the podcast. Pardon our beards, doing No Shave November, all that Movember action, and we're at a minimum going to grow some sick mustaches. So check it out. Go to twitter.com/Tusk Media LLC. We have a pinned tweet. You can click there. We're raising money for all kinds of men's health issues. So it's just a couple of dudes helping dudes help dudes. So check that out. You can donate to us individually. So if you think Krebsbach's doing a great job with his facial hair or the podcast, give to his team.
I do look good.
Yeah, he looks fantastic. Looks fantastic. The people who've spoken, and by the people I mean him. So check that out and donate. We're going to do some friendly competitions within the office, but also trying to get our team, which is called Mo Money, Mo Problems, up in those Movember leaderboard standings.
Well,
so,
Donald Trump contributed to your campaign.
No one has more respect for my facial hair than Donald Trump. So.
Andrew contributed to mine.
Did I?
I don't know if you guys saw that.
I didn't see that. How much?
$25. Appreciate that, man.
Hot start. Did I leave any comments?
Yeah, you said mad ups on your facial hair game already. Woo. So I appreciate that, man.
Man, so much respect going around here. So check that out. We're here right now to do what we do every month. We make predictions for the Dow, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, so the major U.S. indices, as well as the price of oil. So 4 completely arbitrary data points that we started doing when we started off this podcast. Krebs and Sam may or may not show up. He was here a minute ago. We don't know where he is, but they won last month. Predicted straight redgasm, everything to be down.
Can't say I'm surprised.
And they got it right. So 4 for 4 right there. We're going to establish predictions right now. Intern Barrett's going to put the market close as of October 31st. That's what we're going on. We got a little bit of a head start just because we have one day of trading activity. But I'm going to follow those guys' leads and really play on the volatility of the election. And I'm going to say all 4 trackers are going to be down for the month of November. I'm going to step off. Matt Krebsbach's going to talk, and Nye's going to talk, and then Garrett Palmer's going to talk. But make your predictions, and we'll give Sam whatever we decide is wrong later.
What's the what's the price of oil that was the last closing price?
The closing, I don't know off the top of my head.
Would you say 48 is a fair guess of what it would be?
Yeah, thereabouts.
It's around that range.
48 seems
I'm
decent.
going to go oil's going to be lower, and the other indices are all going to be up.
All right.
I think the election is going to be too played out. That's like too obvious. And I think by the time like the end of the month comes around, it'll like be able to rebound even if it does trade off.
I think that oil's going to be down, S&P 500 is going to be down, NASDAQ's going to be down. I think expectations for iPhone and Apple will continue to drag that lower. I think the Dow's going to be up. I think the kind of the big dogs will end up coming out on top. Part of that is because I think that the asymmetry is priced into a Trump win, and I think that the industrial sector tends to do better, and that's weighted to like the larger cap stocks like the Dow.
I'm predicting that everything is going up for no other reason than to have something different than these guys.
There you go. And Sam, who is not here, is predicting everything to be exactly flat. So put that down.
Didn't he predict oil to be that?
He's just picking the favorites, so whatever the favorite is.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's kind of Sam's thing.
So that's our predictions for the month of November. Thanks.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.